first person singular and plural,
Okay, ma'am.
and second person and third person singular.
Okay, that is for does, ma'am.
Third person plural, and for does, third person singular.
Third person singular. Yeah, okay. For plural, for all the plurals, you will be having
Do.
do,
Yes,
except third person he, she, not.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So in this one, do you know how it got converted? Do to does.
What, ma'am?
Do to does. Actually, it is do. Okay,
Mm,
but
mm.
when you add, there is a rule now. We'll add es if a word ends with so and so like that. We have that es formula. You know that s and es.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of that, do becomes does.
It does. Yes.
Okay. Or actually, there is only one concept that is do. Okay, but because of this conversion, it becomes does. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So can we do that first? You have to
Yes, ma'am.
try. You have to make the question as well as the answer for it, ma'am. Maybe positive and negative answers also will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. First
Do
question, ma'am.
you check your emails before eating breakfast?
Yes.
Yes, I do. No,
No.
I
Yes.
don't.
So yes, I do. It's a simple answer. If you want to brief it, yes, I check my
I
emails
check
before.
my answer. I check my emails before eating breakfast.
Okay. No.
No,
Negative.
no, I don't check my emails before eating breakfast.
Because.
Only after completing the breakfast, I check my emails.
Okay. So yes, I check my emails. Like, why can't we say that as the instructions will be shared in the email in the morning? Can we say some answer like that?
What, ma'am? I can't understand.
Ma'am, for do you check your emails? You told yes, I check my emails before breakfast. But why?
Yes.
But why? Because the instructions of the whole day or the schedule will be shared through WhatsApp.
True. Okay, ma'am. Through
Schedule will be
emails.
shared through email. Sorry, email.
Emails.
So I keep checking my emails, or I check my emails through through before breakfast, like that. You should say. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Second one.
Does your manager schedule meetings on Friday afternoons?
Hmm.
Yes, my manager schedule meetings on every Friday afternoons,
Because
because as per schedule, he is conducting meetings.
as per schedule, ma'am.
Mm.
Because the next week schedule will be planned in that meeting, right?
Why your voice is not clear, ma'am?
Is it clear now?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is that, ma'am?
Uh, my manager schedule meetings on Friday afternoon
Hmm.
um,
Because
because he is instructed to conduct meetings every Friday
no,
afternoons.
the instructions of the next week's schedule or the upcoming week's schedule will be shared, will be discussed in the meetings. Can we say like that?
Okay, ma'am. Uh,
Can we say like that?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh, to,
Hmm.
uh, to discuss about the next week's
Upcoming
work,
week.
upcoming week programs.
Ah.
Okay.
To decide the schedule of the upcoming week.
Uh, uh,
Okay. Next one.
does the office Wi-Fi disconnect often during the day? No, the office Wi-Fi will not disconnect during the daytime because um, it has um, it has a high Wi-Fi, Abisulama. It
But
has
actually, why? Yeah, you can say because it is what high quality.
High
It is
quality
given by a
Wi-Fi.
high quality service provider.
Mm. Okay, ma'am.
That
High
is, it is
quality
distributed
services
by a high
provided.
quality service provider.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
For now.
Mm. Four. Do we
Yes. Ma'am, actually, does
have
the office Wi-Fi disconnect often during the day? Yes, it does.
mm.
As the usage is heavy.
For yes, as
Yes, the
the
usage is heavy during the day.
daytime? Okay.
Ila no,
No, the office Wi-Fi has a high quality service provider.
No, doesn't get disconnected because it is given by a high quality
High
service
quality service
provider.
provider. Mm.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Fourth one.
Do we have a team lunch plan for this month? Yes, we have a team lunch planned for this month.
Mm.
Mm. Next one, no. As we have an important work, there is no team lunch for this month.
Okay, for yes. Yes, it does.
What, ma'am?
இல்ல மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ்க்கு என்ன சொன்னீங்க? What did you say for yes?
Yes, we had team lunch. We have team lunch
Hmm.
um, planned for this month.
Okay. Okay.
Next
Okay.
one.
Hmm.
Do you commute to your work take more than 1 hour?
Hmm.
Yes, it takes more than 1 hour.
Hmm. Because mornings are having high traffic now. Can we say
Oh,
that?
yes, yes. Mornings are having high traffic.
Okay.
Mm.
And for no?
No,
Hmm.
it won't take more than an hour because
Hmm.
I start early from home.
Okay. Okay. Okay, next.
Does the new software application save your time?
Hmm.
Yes, um, it saves my time
Hmm.
and I can do the work very fast.
Okay, for no?
No, the new software application doesn't
Hmm.
save my time
Hmm.
because I cannot understand the software application fully.
Okay, or else can we say like I can't, I'm not used to it. How
I'm
about
not
I'm
used
not
to.
used to it?
I'm not used to it.
Because since it is new, we don't know how to use it. So
Use
can
it.
we say like I'm not used to it?
I'm not used to it.
Mm. Okay, next.
Do you prefer working in a quiet space or a busy one?
Mm.
I prefer working in a quiet space because I can concentrate more on my work.
Okay.
Mm. No, I can even work on a busy space
Mm.
because
Mm.
I'm adjusted to the busy situation.
Okay. So you are okay with both.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Next.
Do your co-workers bring homemade lunch to the office?
Mm.
Yes, my co-workers bring homemade lunch to the office because they think that eating outside is not a healthier one.
Or it is not advisable.
It is not advisable to eat outside.
Mm. Okay.
No, my co-workers uh, don't bring homemade lunch to the office
Okay.
because they don't have time in the morning
Mm.
to prepare lunch.
Okay.
Does the air conditioner make too much noise in your room?
Mm.
Yes, it is making too much noise. I
Mm.
have to call
Mm.
a service engineer.
Mm.
No, the air conditioner is not making much noise in
Okay.
my room.
Okay.
Then, do
As
you
it
drink?
needs some fixing.
What, ma'am?
As it needs some fixing.
For no, it doesn't need any fixing, ma'am.
No, no. For no, actually, does this air conditioner does the air conditioner make too much of noise in your room? Then if it is a yes, திருப்பி repeat பண்ணுங்க அது.
Hmm. Yes, it is making too much noise in my room. So I have to call a service engineer.
Okay. For no.
No, the air conditioner is not making much noise in my room.
Hmm.
So uh, I am adaptable to that noise.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it.
I'm okay with that.
Ah,
Okay.
right. Next.
Do you drink more than 3 cups of tea or coffee a day?
Mm,
Yes, I drink more than 3 cups of coffee a day because
mm, mm.
I wanted to keep myself refreshed.
Okay.
No, I don't think more than 3 cups of tea or coffee a day because I know that it is not good for health.
Okay.
Then, does your printer run out of ink quickly? No, my printer doesn't run out of ink quickly
Okay.
because it is a branded one.
Okay.
Yes, my printer runs out of ink quickly because I often use it.
Okay. Okay. Because the usage is high.
Because the usage is high. Okay.
Because the usage is high means you are using it more.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Does this new project require extra weekend hours? No, this new project doesn't require extra weekend hours because I can finish it within the scheduled time.
Okay. So we don't need extra time.
No need for extra
So
hours.
should we say on time?
We can finish it on time.
So it doesn't need an extra time.
Extra time.
Okay.
No, this new project require extra weekend hours
Okay.
because we
Mm.
have to work for it more.
Okay. No, we are like we have enough time and not enough time. So that
Yeah.
would be the same way of answering this. Okay.
Okay.
So now second one, ma'am.
Second one. The yes or no challenge.
Uh,
Is this a simple